Yeah, dude.
Hey, Nick.
Yeah.
Hey, Nick, mind if I ask a question?
Hit me.
So on the qualifying, how does that all work? As far as qualifying that cold call.
So the cold call, what we call a lead, and I'm so glad you asked. What we call a lead is anyone who wants to sell now or in the future. Now, what we do, now that's a lead. That's going to be sent to you no matter what. Sell now or in the future. That's yours. Now, what we do to additionally qualify that for you is we then ask them 12 questions about the property. And these 12 questions really cover everything. When the last time it was remodeled? Is there a tenant in the property? How old's the roof? Any general repairs? Is there a mortgage on the property? What's their timeline to sell? If we made a cash offer, how much would they take in the next 48 hours? Is there a good email address for them? Is there a good phone number for them? When's the best time for you to call them back? We ask them all of these questions, and then we send you the lead. Now, what I tell people, Ed, is we don't qualify the lead. It's not what we do. However, we find out if they want to sell, and then we ask them all of the qualifying questions. Some people, sometimes they want to these leads suck. Yeah, well, what about it sucks? Yeah, well, the homeowner wants $40,000. Well, okay. Well, the homeowner can want whatever the fuck they want for the house. I am not, and I remember when I first started, I used to say, I'm in control of a lot of things. What the homeowner says is not one of them. The important thing is we're calling professionally, we're asking the right questions, and you're happy with everything else, because all it takes, if this person says 400,000, the next one will say 25,000, so it's like, it is just a numbers game to just pierce through that.